Yet another one dead. Oh, it's such a wonderful day. This one was a spineless coward who tried to run away from me, and their ankle just snapped like a twig. Oh, I followed behind them, slowly letting the dread build in their heart. I said, "Don't be scared. I'll kill you quick if you like." They just shouted, "No, no, no!" So I guess they didn't want a quick death. That's fine by me. So I grabbed them, ripping the flesh from their back. Oh, you could see all of the inner workings of the human body. And you know what? I guess they weren't spineless after all. They just laid there choking on their own blood. And I tore off an arm before eating it all up. You should have heard the way they screamed. They always scream. But perhaps you'll do some screaming of your own soon, Anyways, then I tore the other arm off and I beat them with it. I said, "Stop hurting yourself!" I don't think they understood the joke. They were begging God for help. So I did the right thing, and I sent them to their God. And then you walked up here, and now you get to play the game too. A game of cat and mouse. Guess which one you are.
Run!